Hey guys, how are you? Oh my gosh, it has been so long since I have been on this channel. This is crazy. I just wanted to thank each and every person who's reached out to me via DM, email, and have been like, hey Sierra, what's going on? Are you okay? I'm doing fine. I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate every single email and every single message that you guys have sent. I also want to give a special thank you to my god sister who had a really good talk with me yesterday. We went out with a friend of ours to a restaurant and we were just talking, and she said, if your makeup channel is such a passion of yours, it was such a big part of your life for a while, you need to go back. You need to go back. You need to start creating again. And so I want to thank you, Jasmine, for encouraging me to do this video. I actually told her, I promised her that I would put this video up the next day. It was also time to come back. So if you guys don't know, my husband and I do have another channel. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. But what we do is we react to BTS, which is a Korean band. We didn't know anything about them. I'll even leave our first video right up here in the cards for you guys to check it out, but we knew nothing about this band. Once we started to really dig deep into the band, and it wasn't just the music, it just got to a point where we started realizing that our lives and the way that we live our everyday life has changed so much in 6 months. And it sounds so crazy to say some 7 boys in Korea changed our lives, but I cannot stress to you enough, like, they have changed our lives so dramatically that I know that moving forward into this channel, this makeup channel, I have to be my authentic self right now and let you in to the things that I am loving right now. So on this channel moving forward, I am going to be reviewing a lot more Korean brands. I'm going to be reviewing a lot more Korean skincare, a lot more Korean makeup, because that is something that I'm really into. I still, of course, am going to be reviewing the very popular launches, but I just wanted you guys to know that I am going to be moving forward doing something a little different. Kind of nervous about it. Also, I kind of want to get into Korean fashion, so I don't know, and K-dramas, like, I mean, it's a whole thing, guys. I hope that you guys are down to go on the journey with me. I think this is gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be exciting. I'm so excited for this new chapter on this channel. And yeah, I'm ready to come back, guys. I miss you guys so much. And again, thank you so much, and thank you for continuing to stay around even though it's been so long. So that's it. That was my quick little, like, hey, this is what's going on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.